How to use webhooks in n8n. So in order to do this, we can head over first into our workflow. So I have these nodes. Let's proceed to add in your webhook. Click on this plus icon and click onto the search and let's search here for webhook. You should be able to find them right here onto the actual list. So click on this webhook option. Then after that, it should be able to be added. You can see in here the test URL, but you can also add a production URL based on this. Just right here, the HTTP method from this list. Choose right here the path, authentication, response, and other properties. You can also set up the settings based on this by allowing multiple HTTPs and the likes. So head back to your canvas once you're done with the setup, and you should be able to find right here your actual webhook. Do take note that the webhook in n8n serves as a trigger, so head over and then do take note of that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.